Hello and welcome to the channel. There is an interesting update for all of you who have applied for the December 2020 cycle of UGC NET exam and also for people who want to apply for the next set of exams. But before moving on, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and press on the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let me start by sharing my screen. So here you can see that we are on the official website of UGC NET, that is ugcnet.nta.nic.in, and you can see two public notice dated which says new, and once you click on them it will take you to a new tab, and this new tab reads that opening of the online portal for submission of online application for June 2021, which means this is a new application form that is being released for all of them who want to apply right now. It also says that due to postponement of December 2020 cycle, for which the exams have not been conducted yet, the schedule of June 2021 UGC NET has been delayed. In order to regularize the UGC NET examination cycles, NTA with the UGC has merged both UGC NET of December 2020 and June 2020 cycles so that they can be conducted together in CBT mode. So as all of you know that UGC conducts or NTA conducts the NET exams twice a year, that is in June and December. Because the December 2020 exams have also not been conducted yet, the December exams for last year and the June exam for this year have been merged, and the application forms for the June exam has been released. The candidates who have registered for UGC NET of December 2020 cycle but have not been able to complete the application process can also complete and submit the application form. So in case you were not being able to finish the app or submit the application form last time, you can do it now as well. It also gives some important dates to all the candidates. Online registration and submission of the new application form will be available from 10th August to 5th September. So you have almost a month to do that. The last date for successful transaction of examination fee. So you should pay all your fees for the exam before 6th September, and the correction particulars will be open from 7 to 12. So in case you made any mistake while applying, you can make those corrections between 7th September and 12th September. And the date has not been announced as to when your admit card will be released. The date of examination has been announced. So it is important for all the people who have applied in December 2020 cycle also to note that the exams will be conducted between 6 October and 11 October. So these are the dates for both the batches of exam, that is between 6 October and 11 October. As usual, they will be conducted in two shifts, that is first and second shift. Another important point to notice is the slot of JRFs of both UGC NET of December 2020 and June 2021 will be merged, while the methodology of allocation of JRFs shall remain unchanged. So there is no problem if you have applied for the previous time or you're going to apply now. If your marks are good enough, you will get JRF. Now, like I told you, there is another public notice dated which says new. Let's see what this says. There is a relaxation in age limit for JRF for this cycle alone, which means for people applying in June 2021 cycle alone will have an age relaxation of not more than 31 years. If you remember previous times, the age limit has been around 28 years, and this time because of COVID situation, it says that candidates who are not more than 31 years as on 1st October 2021 can also apply for this exam along with JRF. So this is a good news for all of you who want to apply. And it again gives you the same dates as in the previous form. So in the main portal, if you scroll down, it says application form UGC NET December 2020 and June 2021 cycle. And once you click on this, it will take you to a new tab which says steps to apply online. So there are 4 steps. Apply for online registration. So here, if you fill in your application number, password, security pin, and then move in, it will take you to the further pages. But if you haven't registered yet, then you should be clicking on the new registration, wherein they will ask you for certain details. And once you fill them, they will give you an application number and password using which you can sign in the next time you log in. So you have to first start by online registration, that is you have to click on the new registration tab here. Then fill online application form, fill all the details and particulars that the website asks you to do. Upload scanned photo and signature and pay the examination fee, which is your last step. And they have given dates of when you have to pay the examination fee. That is the last date to pay your exam fee is 6th September. I hope all of you who want to apply and who want to write UGC NET exam make use of this opportunity. The age limit has also been relaxed for this particular exam alone. So make use of the opportunity and all the best for your exams.